My ongoing challenge to paint my daughter's friend's dog. And I've tried several before. Some of them came out okay, some wishy-washy, some very amateurish. And so today I tried one more time. And, so I've really taken my time, started out with a cloudy sky, and that turned out just fine. And then now trying to work in, planes of depth and that sort of thing, throw in a hint of where I think the eyes are going to go, and then I worked on the nose. Nose came out really good. Looks have a lot of great colors in the nose. And maybe I should just specialize in your pet's nose. That was a real award winner right there. Anyway, so painstakingly and tediously painting little strands of fur, which we're not going to paint the whole fur, but we're going to try to hint that there's fur there, and then try to refine the eyes. Can't really see the eyes in the picture, which is a bummer. I think if I could have had a really big bold eye where you can see the white of the eye and the color of the eye, plus some reflections, that'll probably come out a lot better in the eye. And then here I was just adding little touches, hoping to convey the personality of the sweet little doggy, and that's what I ended up with. I don't know if it's so great, but a lot of fun trying.